Okay, so for this problem, it's dealing with the uniform. So a couple of things I want to point out to you. Okay, it's dealing with the uniform probability distribution, not the normal distribution. And they're telling me it takes anywhere between 8 and 15 minutes to wash the dishes. So I want to draw a rectangle, or I want to draw the graph of the probability distribution. And now it's as low as 8 or as high as 15. And these uniform distributions, they call them uniform because they're all the height's all the same all the way across. And it's a continuous probability distribution because the time it takes me to wash the dishes can be any number in between 8 and 15, 8.32 minutes, for example. Now, the tricky part is we know this area has to be equal to 1 because the probability of an event, the sum of all these times has to be 1. So I got to figure out how high this rectangle is. So since this is 7 wide, all I have to do is take 1 and divide it by 7, and that's how high this is. And then answer the question and tell me what's the probability that it'll take me between 13 and 14 minutes tonight. So I'm just going to draw that in blue. Whoops, it'd be nice if I get the pen to work. 13 to 14, that's supposed to be. And I'm looking for that area, that rectangle area. So that's 1 wide, and length times width is how you find the area of a rectangle. So 1 times 1/7 is some decimal. I tried entering this in earlier as a fraction and didn't take it. So then I grabbed my calculator and I divided it out until I came to a 1 where I didn't have to round. It was a number that less than 4. And that's what I entered, and it accepted it. So that's that probability, and hopefully you can repeat the process.